Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to calculate percentages in Excel. So let's say I type in a complete random number 1235 and another number, let's say 3000, completely two random numbers, okay? Let's say I want to know 1235, what percentage of it out of like 3000. Click here, type this, and then click on the first number, and then click on slash or divide, and then click on the second number, and now click on multiply or star or whatever people call it, and then type in 100. And as you can see, here is the answer. 1235 is 41% of 3000, okay, or 41% 0.1667. If you want to change how many numbers are there after the dot, or for example you want to add the percentage symbol, go to general and then click on more numbers formats and choose custom, then click on the 0 and then type this slash, not the other one, and type in percent. And as you can see, we added the percentage symbol. But now let's say I want to see more details, for example, like 41.117 or something. You go on general again, more details, click on custom, and here again, go to the 0 and click on 0.00. And depending on the number of zeros you add, is going to add the numbers. So if I add 2 zeros, for example, it's going to be 0.17. If I add 1 zero, it's going to be 0.2. So yeah, as you can see here, 1235 is 41% 0.17 of 3000. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it did help you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. And yeah, take care.